Hello, Bobby. So can you show us the product that you're actually going to install it at the house that we're at?
We were planning to go with this. This is a luxury vinyl, 20 mil. This is going to be the stairs and the second floor. And the customer still not sold on it 100%, but this is what we're planning to go with.
So why did you choose this product?
Is the vinyl flooring, like I said, is scratch resistant, is water friendly. You can mop on it for, if you have dogs, children running around, can't hurt it.
Do you think a lot of people, they come still asking for laminate these days?
Yes, believe it or not, this is a new type of laminate.
Okay.
This is very strong and is waterproof from the top and dog friendly also. But the vinyl still is the way to go, and that's what a lot of people are using. Laminate is getting out of commission.
So if I have my choice between laminate and LVT or luxury vinyl, which one do you think I should
I think the technology right now for the vinyl flooring is a lot ahead of laminate.
And when it comes to cost, a lot of different in cost?
Some are the same, but the vinyl is more expensive. They can go up to $5 to $5 to $7 a square feet just on the vinyl part.
Material only or
Material
install?
only.
Material only.
Yeah, it can go up to, I would say, $7.
$7 material only.
Material only.
With the same product, the same warranty, vinyl and laminate. Can we just say like 25% more?
I would say 25.
25% more.
Yeah.
25% more, but you get a lot better warranty.
A lot.
And it will last you longer.
Warranty would be the same, but I think it would last you a lot longer, and you have less issues with the. Right now, the vinyl, if the water gets between the grout, is protected. With the laminate, it's not. That's the difference. So you still can mop on them, but if you have a water leak, I think that's the big difference.
So with the water leak, the LVT will survive it, correct?
Yes. No.
But the LVT will not survive it either?
It would survive it. What happens if you have a water leak, slab leak from below? Not many product would survive.
But in generally, like LVT will be a lot stronger.
Yes.
And it will be better than vinyl.
Yes.
Especially if you have kids
Mm-hmm.
or if you have dogs in the house.
Yes.
Okay. That's when it comes to the flooring. Can you, please, if you don't mind, can you show us the kitchen, what you're going to be using?